Welcome back to my channel. Here is another video about Finland. Finland is considered one of the best places in the world to raise children. Is that really true? You might be hearing a lot about the best education system in the world, exceptional safety standards, strong family support system, strong social support system, clean environment and well-being system for the children and also for the adults who live and work in Finland. And of course, you can answer these questions if you live in Finland, you work in Finland, and you have your family. I'm not just sharing with you the information based on Google or the research done by some websites. This is my own opinion driven by my experience living here in Finland. And you can see the practical reflection in the videos that I have been posting for some times. There are many factors behind that, of course, that makes Finland a beautiful country or a happy place to live in. And for the eighth time, Finland has got the title of happiest country of the world. You can just look around, greenery and beautiful nature everywhere. Look around the houses, their yards, surrounding, designed and decorated beautifully, clean environment and well maintained by the locals. I'm just here outside, my house, the community. You can see that there is a park. You will find always a park nearby for the children, to play. Here is my autistic son. He is very happy outside. He has made something. It's like a bus he made by the paper. This is what he has something, a talent that he has learned in the school, and that's what he does in the school, and he brings it at home. The kids are playing outside. These are the toys always there. Berries outside you can find in the trees, but of course not all you can eat. I regularly go outside and play with my kids. The autistic child, he is happy outside whenever I bring him outside. He doesn't like to stay inside the house much. And in Finland, of course, outdoor activities are always encouraged. Not only at home, in the school also they spend their time outside playing outdoors, not only in summer but also in winter. They have their sports activities. They also have in the schools, two subjects. One is physical education and the second is environmental science. Kids, school children and also daycare children are regularly taken outside the school, taken outdoors to do the certain activities. They also go to the forests where they pick the berries. They are taught how to use the nature, respect the forest, and how to use the public property. You have seen in the video near my house there is a park for the children where the children can go and play anytime. There are swings and some other things, those are needed for the children to make them busy. Then there is a basketball ground, a small ground where the kids play basketball. I come out sometime with them to play. Then this is the forest just near my house. We sometimes go into the forest, just do a little bit hiking or just walk around for a few minutes to get fresh oxygen, fresh air, to open up our lungs. It is a nice combination, nice infrastructure you can see. Physical activities are encouraged here in Finland. I have seen my children, unlike when they were in Saudi Arabia, when they moved here, they are much more interested in doing the physical activities. We do have television at home. They watch only on the weekends. But again, sometimes they don't want to watch TV. They want to go outside and spend their time in the nature. They also have subject, related to the nature, as I mentioned, physical education and environmental science. So whenever I go outside, I learn something new from them. They have their ideas, they have information they always share with me. You can see how beautiful and calm it is. The transport system in Finland is also widely, available everywhere. Now this is a bus stop just beside my house. Bus stops you can find everywhere on every kilometer distance. In the residential areas, the buses come there and take you to the different places in Vantaa and Helsinki, and everywhere you can access by using the local transport, local bus system. You don't need your car actually, but if you have a big family, of course you want. So after forest hiking, we just started walking here in the residential area. This is also a cool and calm place. Another interesting thing in my opinion is the children are more calm and quiet outside. Inside the house, in the boundaries, sometimes watching TV, playing piano, playing together, doing some activities. When they're a long time inside, they start to have conflicts. They sometimes shout at each other, they argue, they have less tolerance towards certain things. And then you have to go intervene, you have to spend your time and energy solving their issues. Outside they're different kids. They are cool, calm, friendly, nice, walking, playing together, hands in hands. They develop more patience and tolerance. That's what I have seen or I have experienced myself. They are also taught in the school to work in the groups. Group activities mostly they have. There is no individual scoring system in Finland. They are assessed in the group. They made their groups and let them work together. They have common goals. They work for it and try to resolve the issues or try to solve the problems. Kids are more disciplined in this way. They learn from each other. They don't compete. I mean, there is no competition that who is going to be first, who's going to be second. However, they do have prizes who is more cooperative or more nice in the group. But they all have common goals. They try to achieve the common goals. There is no individual performance scale in terms of activities in the school, and that's how the kids are very cooperative. They are friendly, they like each other, they like to work in different groups. In the beginning when my daughter came here, she was also having challenges with joining the groups, but somehow she managed to do so. Now she's in grade 3. I mean, the school system is great here in Finland. Of course, if your kids are weak, they don't participate much. They somehow make them to join the activities, and somehow they make them to be that way. Now we came for the berries picking. These are the berries here just near to our house in the neighborhood. You are allowed to pick the berries in the forest. If you find them, you can pick them up, you can eat them, because nature is for everyone, it's not for the one person. The kids like going outside and picking up the berries. They have nice activity actually, and this is their daily activity, and the berries are everywhere. This was just a typical day out I have shared with you. This is the routine usually we have in Finland in summer. We have different activities in summer, different in winter, but summer is more nice. Warm weather, not very hot, quite reasonable to go outside and enjoy your time. Physical activities, outdoor activities are encouraged here in Finland. It's nice to go outside. Nature is everywhere and you're allowed to use nature, and it's important that you respect the nature. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please thumbs up. If you have any question you want to ask, you can write down in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Now I'm home. I want to relax for a while. Then we'll be having a dinner. This is quite enough for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.